Iron Talk is brought to you by Case IH.
The world of farming is changing. From the power and versatility of Steiger and Magnum tractors to the legendary reliability of axial flow combines, Case IH can help you be ready. To learn more, visit caseih.com/be ready.
In today's Iron Talk, we're going to discuss your tires and what the numbers mean on the side of the tire. What's the difference between a 710 7538 and a 650 8538? Those big numbers are very important when you're trying to figure out what kind of load your tires can carry and what kind of impact they'll have on compaction and traction in your field. So let's discuss those numbers to start with. First of all, let's say you're looking at, like this tire, a 710 70 R42. Well, the 710 stands for the millimeters of width of that tire. So how wide the tire is. Now, if millimeters don't mean much to you, you can just divide that number by 25.4 to estimate the number of inches. In this case, 710 millimeters is about 27.95 inches. The second number is 70. That's the aspect ratio, or the sidewall. So what this tells us is the sidewall is 70% of the width of the tire. The R stands for radial. Now, instead of an R, you may have a B or simply a dash. The B or dash means bias tires. The R stands for radial tires. And finally, that last number, 42, that's the rim diameter. Now, we've got 710, 70, R42. Those numbers, I think many of us understand. But there are some other things on the tire that you may be interested in. For example, this one says radial tubeless. That means it can run without a tube, just like a car or pickup tire, because it's built into the inner liner. Now, here's some other things. The standard load index rating, and this is one that's very important. If you look at this one, it says 173A8 and 173B. Now, the 173A8 means it's designed to carry a load signified by that 173, which translates to pounds or kilograms, and the A8, that means at 25 miles per hour. Now, the 173B means you could also carry that same load at 30 miles per hour. There's a lot of information on the side of a tire. Just take some time to look through those numbers, understand what they mean, and that will help you pick the right tire for your operation. That's all for today's Iron Talk, and now back to the show.